Soni Sidhu war is on. We're also picking up that some breaking news now coming in. And this is from Delhi. Sonia Gandhi chairing a key Congress meeting at her residence in the national capital, Delhi. We're getting you a ground update. Sonia Gandhi is chairing this key Congress huddle ahead of the winter session that starts on 27th November. Congress strategy meeting for the winter session is on. Remember, Congress will try to be all guns blazing against the government at the centre. But with the farm laws specifically that have been now announced to be repealed, how possibly will the Congress want to now brainstorm individually as a party and with other allies as well to take on the government at all as the winter session begins? Supriya Bharadwaj with all the latest on that. Supriya, Congress is preparing now to take on the government, but what is likely to be on agenda for the huddle? Do they have some issues at hand to attack the government at the winter session?
Pooja, there are three key issues which are being discussed in this important strategy meet. First being Congress Party's strategy on the entire issue of farm laws. Government plans to take it back. They want to bring in the bill on the 29th of November itself. So what is going to be the strategy of the Congress Party? That is being discussed. Second thing being that there are 18 agendas and how to bring every opposition party under one ambit and ensure that the government is cornered in both houses of the parliament. And third being whether to go with TMC or not to go with TMC. Because a lot of people, a lot of leaders across Congress Party are saying that what TMC is doing is as per a Sharyant, or it's a kind of a well-planned strategy to sabotage Congress. Whether they will come together in the parliament is being discussed right now at 10 Janpath where we are. 18 issues which are being discussed includes that of Rafale, China border tension, as well as that of price rise. That important rally which the Congress plans in the second week of December to corner the government on the issue of price rise, that is also being discussed.
Price could be on the top, but will the Congress have support of other parties? That also remains to be seen. A key huddle at Sonia Gandhi's residence just ahead of the winter session of the parliament.